Welcome to the future of spacious living. Imagine a home that breaks free from the confines of narrow layouts, offering unparalleled comfort and versatility. Introducing the Expanded Container Home, a game changer in the world of container living.
I was blown away by the difference in space once we expanded our container home. It's like stepping into a whole new world of possibilities.
With our expanded containers, you'll enjoy almost double the width of traditional models, creating a living space that feels truly spacious and inviting. From open concept layouts to multifunctional rooms, our homes offer a range of floor plan options to suit your lifestyle. Say goodbye to narrow, cramped living. With our expanded containers, you can enjoy the freedom to design a home that truly reflects your unique needs and preferences.
I never realized how much difference a few extra feet could make until we purchased the KOMEX Expandable Container Home. It's like living in a whole new world.
The expanded layout gives us the space we need to entertain guests, work from home, and relax comfortably. It's a game changer.
Join the movement towards spacious living and unlock the potential of your space with the Expanded Container Home. Visit our website to learn more and start your journey today. Expand your horizons. Visit www.containerhomex.com to find your dream home now.